Jesus was meeting in the home of Simon the leper. Now this means that Simon either previously or currently had leprosy, which was a contagious flesh-eating disease. Of course, everybody was scared of getting this disease. In fact, when anybody was spotted with leprosy, you were just supposed to point at them and yell, "Unclean!" We don't know a lot about Simon, but we're pretty sure he was familiar with being an outcast and rejection. And then in walks this woman. Now you have to understand, 2,000 years ago, women were not considered to be important or valuable. At best, men consider them servants or even slaves. This woman is holding a very expensive alabaster jar. We're guessing in today's economy this is $10,000 to $15,000 worth of perfume. This is her everything, her inheritance, her savings, everything she has. She takes it, breaks it, and pours it on Jesus' head. The disciples are indignant. They rebuke her harshly and say, this perfume could have been sold and given to the poor. And Jesus says, whoa, hey, I've been telling you guys forever that I'm going to be crucified and buried, and you have done nothing. This woman did what she could and has anointed me for burial. In fact, Jesus said, wherever the gospel is preached throughout the whole world, what she has done here will be told in memory of her. During Jesus' time on earth, he boldly ignored cultural norms. He gave credit and honor to women. He kept company with lepers. He dined with sinners. He was compassionate and merciful to the weak. And this changes everything.